and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. And as promised, I'm cooking today's Sunday roast in our new Ninja Crispi. So all I've done is I have seasoned the joint, and it's a pork loin joint and it's nicely seasoned, and we've also put in our meter probe just so that we don't overcook it, because I don't want to overcook it anyway, but certainly not on the first cook, do I? I mean, that would be a disaster, darling. So you need to come across here whilst we put it into the meter. No, that is the meter. Crispy. Right, pork joint in the Crispi. Crispi is on at the mains. Now I'm trying to do this one-handed, so bear with. Lid on. Now we need to switch the Crispi on, and we need to change mode, and we're going to roast. And it's not going to take 10 minutes, is it? It's going to take, there you go, that's on properly. It's going to take decidedly longer than 10 minutes. So we need to adjust the time. I'm going to go 1 hour. Just hold it, Penny, it goes in 5-minute increments, and then we press start. It's just circling, there we go, it's on roast. And actually, that's quite quiet, isn't it? Yes, the initial startup, it was loud, but that is quiet. And what I do like is the fact that I can see it cooking. So I'm going to leave this doing its thing and come back to you when we are nearly cooked. Right, as you can see, the meter is saying that there is 1 minute remaining. Now, I'm going to be quite honest with you. For quite some time, the meter wasn't registering an ambient temperature inside the Crispi, so we were a little worried that it wasn't actually cooking. So we came back through, switched everything off, started again, looked inside it, it was definitely crispy, it was definitely cooking. We even used this, there you go, it's cooked. We even used this temperature probe just to check the temperature inside the thing, and it's working. Now that's gone off to tell me that it is cooked, so I need to have a look. I've got my silicone pad there ready to put the lid on. Yeah, right, so let's take the lid off, and I'll put that down onto the silicone so that it doesn't burn. And right, it's not very crispy, but my major concern is it actually cooked? So we have our thermopin, and we're going to go in, and as you can see, it's not up to 63 degrees yet, no matter what the meter is saying. So I'll go in somewhere else as well. Right, definitely not at 63 degrees. Okay, now there, no, see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop the meter, and I'm going to actually put the lid back on, and I'm going to switch off and switch on again, because I'm going to air fry it now, because I want it nice and crisp. I want it nice and crispy. Sorry, that was my mistake. Right, so let's switch mode to air fryer. We'll press start, and I'll leave it on the 30 minutes, but I will come and check. But that should give us nice crispy crackling. Right, I'm taking it out now. This is not going to crackle in here. Could be the particular joint, but let's take it out. Actually, let's just, I know it's cooked, but there we go. 64, 65, that's cooked. Okay, so let's take it out, put it on a plate to rest. You can see it's cooked, look at that, beautiful colour. Okay, and am I stupid? Perhaps I am, because I'm going to now try my roasties in it. You all know how to cook roast potatoes. I'm not going to show that, but when they're on the dinner plate at the end of the day, you will know that I've cooked them in the crispy. Nearly said speedy. Right. Right then, that is our roast pork and our roast potatoes and the stuffing cooked in the Ninja Speedy. It's okay. I'm reserving judgment. This is the first cook. Normally my first cook, as you know, in any new air fryer is chips. Today it's Sunday. I went for it with the roast dinner. The pork actually, I think, looks lovely. There's not a lot wrong with that, is there? And the roast potatoes got a nice colour on them. So, okay. So far, so good. Right, Steve's got his. I've just poured a little bit of gravy onto mine, and I know the pork tastes good because we did have the end piece, which is always good, isn't it? But I'll just do another taste test on camera. It's beautifully tender, I can't fault that. Beautifully white, and well seasoned. My disappointment is the joint of pork itself. It didn't crackle, but that's the joint of pork I bought, hey ho. Right, now the potatoes. Hang on, don't know if you can hear. Right, let's cut a potato. Oh yeah. Look. Crispy outside, fluffy middle. Needs salt. Right. Needs some tweaks, but I'm learning. It's my first cook. But Ninja Crispi, first cook, done.